G'day viewers, welcome to the next episode of Gray's Builds. It's a sad day. The bear project is dead. Have a look at this. Okay guys, I think it's time to admit defeat. Cutting out the cancerous part of this frame is just not an option. It has gone right through. This metal is so thin, I can't believe how thin the frame was. But as you can see, there's just so much cancer. Stuff I haven't even started cutting out yet. Massive crack in the frame there at the suspension. That's all thin, rotted. That side's not too bad, but another massive crack and rotted. And then on this side, that side's obviously the worst because that's where that piece of angle was welded on. This side, I got a little bit excited when I started doing this side. The metal is actually reasonably thick still here, and I thought maybe I could patch that, but it's just, I think it's just too far gone. I think it's time to cut the losses on the bear and part it out. Working engine, a whole heap of other bits I can sell, clean up and sell. Yeah, I think rest in peace the bear. It's not even worth wasting any more grinding discs on. It's just too far gone, I think. You know, if I was bodgy, I could fab up some little bits of plate, TIG them in. Even TIGging might be difficult with how thin the metal is in parts. You know, clean it up, paint it, put it all back together, sell it, but that's not the way I do things. I like to do things properly, and this is far from properly. You know, I've taken away more than 50% of the tube on that side, and it's still got a crack there. And of course that's right where the weight of the engine is and the person riding it. Now, time to call it. Rest in peace the bear.
The next day.
Now you listen here. He's not the saviour of quads. He's a very naughty boy. Now go away.
Yes, the bear is going to be parted out. Frame's going to the dump, off to the tip, off the recyclers. Introducing the replacement project, the Honda. This is a Honda TRX 350, 2005 model. 350cc's obviously. Plastics are a bit rough in parts. Frame is good. Frame has one little spot to fix, and that was purely just from a mount tearing out. Tyres are all pretty shagged. Haven't tried to put power on it or anything. The one downside is no fuel tank, but it is a lot more modern. Disc brakes front, drum brake rear, I believe. Also came with some spares. A couple of brand new 11 by 7.5 inch rims, which is the same as the rear on the Honda. Front's a 12-inch diameter, but weirdly came with 10-inch tyres. 4 brand new 10-inch tyres. They don't fit anywhere on this quad, so I guess that's a quick flip. Came with some bits, some homemade bull bars. Came with a cylinder barrel and piston. I'll show you why in a sec. Brand new air cleaner. That's handy. A bearing for something. Not sure what that's for yet. An 11-inch wheel, which I'm not sure where that's from, but at least this one came with a spare quad. This is a 2000 TRX 350. Hopefully enough bits are interchangeable between the two especially that fuel tank, because the other one's missing fuel tank. Got a little friend in there. Have to see if I can dig him out to show you. Plastics are very ordinary on this one. 5 years older. Very heavy duty homemade side steps and bull bar. Slightly different front, but I think enough of it is interchangeable for me to get some bits out of. Well guys, that's it. That's a wrap up for the end of the Bear project and the beginning of a new project. I know a lot of you are waiting for some more Brutus videos, and there will be some more coming, some performance mods and a few other bits and pieces. I'm just waiting for the weather to improve a little bit, because I do need to pull things apart on Brutus, and the weather's not being kind to me at the moment in the top end. The ex-cyclone Esther has given us some pretty good rain lately, but the weather is starting to improve now, so I will be able to produce some more Brutus videos soon, but in the meantime we'll keep going with this project. Hopefully next episode we'll try and get this thing running. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Cheers.